Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in with me, welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. Guys, as you can see, this is the look I'll be creating today. It's a very minimal look. I have no foundation on, guys, believe it or not. And if you are a regular on my channel, you would know that this is not just my clear skin, but I'm going to show you guys the secret to getting flawless looking skin with no foundation on and minimal product on. So if you're having problem skin right now, this is great for you. If you want to look good for springtime or even summer, this is your go-to look, or even just the everyday look if you're going to the mall. It takes like less than 10 minutes to do this, guys. So if you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. Let me just say that the very first step that you need to do in order to achieve this look is you need to start with clean skin. And I don't mean just washing your face. So I have toned my face. So sorry, I've used toner on my face after washing it. If you're a regular on my channel, you know that I am very much for the African Extracts Rooibos Refreshing Toner. But whatever toner that you're using that works well on your skin, tone your face. And then I've also moisturized my skin and I waited about 5 minutes. It's important, guys, that after you've applied moisturizer that you wait, because it needs to seep into your skin. So if you put on anything immediately after you apply moisturizer, it will move around. I don't know if anyone has ever told you that. So give yourself at least 5, if you have 10 minutes, give yourself 10 minutes, but I just waited about 5 minutes. So I put the kids to bed and that sort of thing, and so the moisturizer is in basically, and so we'll get started. Guys, please excuse my voice. I seem to be coming down with something, but I'm here, I'm recording. So this is a palette that I got some time ago by House of Bass. I have an amazing huge concealer palette, and I'm gonna go in with a flat concealer brush, and I'm going to grab this light orange color over here just to color correct under my eyes, because having 2 kids is no joke. Hats off to all the moms out there. I'm so sorry, guys. Even those who have more than 2, I don't know how you do it, honestly. Okay, so we're gonna cover up these dark under eyes, right? Eyes are covered or color corrected. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Instant anti-age eraser. So I've taken a darker concealer than what I usually use. I do have lighter ones as well, but I've taken one that's closer to my skin color. I have considered sometimes, I don't know if you can see, I've hit pan on this one already, because usually I would use this palette to do this type of look, but you can use whatever concealer you have available to you, but take one that is closer to your skin tone. So usually with concealer you'd use a concealer that's like 2 shades lighter, and this one is probably, it is about 1 shade lighter maybe, and I'm gonna conceal with this, so especially for under my eyes. So I'm gonna start. Okay. Right, then what I'm also going to do, I'm going to take a tiny brush. This is actually a lip brush, and I'm going to, what they call spot conceal, right? Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my ring fingers, and I'm going to blend them with my hands. I'm just doing a patting motion, guys. I don't know if you guys can see. So I'm going outward. Go a bit lower. And then really just pressing the concealer into the under eye area. So even the spots, guys, just gonna use my finger to blend them out, or to pat them in rather, into the skin. Okay, so I finished the spot concealing. Next I'm going to jump in with my Catrice ID Mineral Bronzer. This is in the shade Medium Dark. Obviously you can just grab the bronzer that you usually go to, and I'm gonna still carve out my face, right? Oh, that's lovely. Okay, I'll just do my jawline as well. Guys, I'm still going to carve out my nose. So you want to accentuate your features. I'm taking a nice fluffy brush and I'm going to go on the side, nose, and the other side. That was a bit much. I'll just blend it in, it's not a problem. I'm going to take it over the eye as well. Let's just carve out the eye area, guys. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Sorry, my mirror's that side, so I tend to lean in a bit too much there. Let's go to the other eye as well, right? Just to give that bronzing effect. Nicely carved out in the eyes. Oh, I did, done and did. Okay. Then I'm gonna jump in with the blush by Essence. This is a matte blush. It's not a problem, you could just grab any blush that you have available to you. I'm gonna put them on the cherry blossom cheeks. I'm thinking someone commented and said they like the way I smile when I apply my blush. It's just to get the apples of the cheeks out, so that you can apply it, right? There we go. See, and all these things kind of give coverage as well, besides the spot concealing that you had done already. So I'm going to grab a fluffy brush. Let me just grab that. I'm going to grab this one. And I'm just going to blend out this on the nose area. It's a bit very concentrated or dark. So let's just get that a bit out of the way. That's better. Okay. Next I'm going to do my brows. Very important, guys. I am going in with this brow brush, right? You can use this spoolie as well. I love this product. If you have the brow soap, you're welcome to use that. I'm using the smudge. This is a brow fix. It's basically like a wax stick, so instead of using soap, I'm using this. I'm gonna grab some on the brush like that, right? Now I'm gonna brush upwards with my brows. I don't know if you can see the difference already. Okay, I'm gonna grab some more. And please brush the way your brow lays, right? Obviously more upward, more slanted, so you lift in the brow, literally. But I see some people with a brow soap. Let me not be critiquing now, unless you want it to look very bushy on top, right? I do upwards, but I slant it according to where so the hair is laying like this flat, right? So I brush it upwards, but still to the side, so that I still get my arch. Okay, so some people literally just brush totally up straight, unless you want it to look spiky at the top. I prefer it still to be more even, more sculpted at the top. Next I'll be going in with the Essence Lash Princess. This is the false lash effect one. So I just want to show you guys, just look at the difference that the mascara makes. It just opens up the eyes. Guys, so sorry to just jump in here. I've already finished the look when I noticed that my camera had cut out at a certain point when I went in with my NYX Born to Glow, and I just noticed that my palette is broken. So I went in with NYX Born to Glow, this lovely pink, and now this bronze one is over it. This pink shade over here on my cheeks and just a little bit on my nose and my Cupid's bow. So that's just an update on that, guys. So sorry for skipping that part. Well, I didn't skip it. I didn't even know what happened to the camera. It just cut out there. So I've just decided, because of the whole mask wearing thing going on right now, I'm not going to apply a lipstick to my lips. I will, however, be going in with my Labello. This is slightly tinted. It's a lip balm, right? And I really just like the way it sits on my lips. Gives a very, very slight tinge of color, which is perfect for me. So you can then just apply your favorite lip balm as well. Okay, then I'm lastly going to end off this awesome look with the Maybelline Glass Spray. Shake well before you use. Okay guys, so this is the final look. If you are South African, this is an amazing look for springtime. It's springtime here in South Africa, almost summertime. This is also something great that you can wear for summer as well. It's really minimal. I have no foundation on my skin, and I think it looks really nice. It's clear skin and glowy as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below what you think. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please pop that in the comment section. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, it's free guys. Also hit the bell so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you in the next video.